Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Another episode. Another episode of Trappin Thursday. I think I'm gonna make this into a series too. Welcome, 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 welcome. I am your host, Stock Sniper, and this is Stock Sniper TV. Appreciate you for coming. Appreciate you for joining. Appreciate all the support and all the love that the channel has been getting. It is highly appreciated. Another day, another dollar. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a special. Uh, if you don't know, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. I got it's a little show that I do. Today is episode 5 of the walk down. I think I'm gonna do a little. I've been thinking about that all night. I think I'm gonna do a special episode of the walk down. But I'm gonna wait till I get a few more people commenting about that specific episode that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna give some real heartfelt commentary and content on that topic. And I think it needs to be discussed because I'm not gonna say what it is. I'm gonna keep it, just I'm just gonna wait till a few more people bring it up. Then I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna talk about it, and I think you ain't gonna want to miss this episode. I think that I can everybody can identify what I'm gonna say, but I'm just waiting on a few more people to say it, and then I'm gonna drop that episode. I might even go live about it, but for sure it's gonna be an episode on the walk down. It's gonna be episode where it might not even be episode 5, but that's gonna be an episode on the walk down. See, that walk down. I mean, I try to think about what the title is gonna be. It's not nothing that I just make up. It's not something that I just do on the fly. It's something that I really, really think about before I title it. But of course, the commentary, what I say is, it's not scripted. It's just off the fly. But I'm trying to get more detailed on that walk down because I got to make that walk down series just as real and as I can make it. So it's there to motivate and inspire. That's why I do that walk down series, and it helps me as well. It helps me get through my walk down because it's kind of boring just walking, you know. So appreciate everybody that's been joining that walk down series. Appreciate you for the people that's been commenting and adding to the conversation. It makes my walk down go a lot faster. I thank you and I appreciate you. So we got 7 minutes before the market starts. Uh, Cash off. Hey, how you doing? Please do me a favor and hit the like button so we can get the notifications out. Thank you for joining. Hope you're having a great morning. Hope you're having a great holiday season. You know what I'm saying? God bless you and your family. Appreciate you for joining the show. Matter of fact, I need to do that now. I got 6 minutes before the market open. So I'm gonna go on because once I have it on the charts, I really can't see the comments, but I'm gonna take my other phone and I'm gonna put it on actually on the channel so I can read the comments live. That's what I'm gonna do. Well, it's saying I know I'm live, but it's not showing up. Please bear with me, bear with me. I'm trying to get it together. Okay. The channels. All right. Up, down. Okay. Now I got it where I can see the comments. So hey, what's going on, y'all? We got 6 minutes before the market start, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I don't know if you can see the countdown to the open. We got 5 minutes. I like the video and I subscribe. is for kids. Well, it's it's labeled not for kids, but as long as you come in here and be respectful, you know, and handle yourself as a mature kid, yes, it's for kids. I don't, there's no cussing, no, yes, it's for kids. Even though I got it 18 and over, yes, kids can still come. Appreciate you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing, and just kick back and enjoy. I got a question for you though. Why you not in school? Are you in school? You supposed to be in school right now. Catastrophic. 3 minutes before the market open. Got 3 minutes. Let me see. We had a little bit of pullback from the 429.9 because I'm not in school because I'm homeschooled. Oh, okay. You like homeschool? What grade are you in? How old are you? Let's see. I'm 12. Okay. Man was a certified dopehead. Now, what make you say that, KRB? Who you talking about? Why you say that? KRB, why do you say that? We try to keep it positive over here, KRB. We try to keep it positive over here, KRB. It's where I'm at. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. It's too early it's too early for the negativity, KRB. May God bless you and your family, but it's too early for the negativity. It's too early. We're having a pullback on nvda as we got 2 minutes before the market open. KRB, be more specific. Who you talking about? Because I'm not in school because I'm homeschooled. Yeah, it's great to be homeschooled. I'm 4 years old. Got a minute left. One minute before the market open. Here we go. Thirty seconds left before the market open. We got 30 seconds. We're leaning towards the downside. On the put side, we lean towards the put side. 8 seconds left. Let's go. Let's go. Trappin Thursday. Let's go. Let's go. Trappin Thursday. And we are live. Another Thursday morning. Let's go. Another Thursday morning. Let's get it in. Let's see what's happening. 136.71. Lower shadow, lower shadow, lower shadow. Support 136.20. Lower support. $136.68. 136.66. Man, bro. 136.50. I have to leave. I'll be back. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you pay attention in class. 136.45. 136.45. We are 2 minutes in so far. We're down 1.94% on the day. Upper shadow. All right. $8 on that drop. Woo, what a good one. There we go, 8%. I just took the momentum and rolled it down, 8% to the support line. I wasn't even gonna wait and see if it's gonna break support. I just rolled it all the way down to the support line. See, that's why I love NVIDIA so much, man. That's why I love NVIDIA so much and chart reading and chart studying. That's why it's a must to study. Study, study, study. Practice makes perfect. Already knew that once we get to this light support and this bottom support, that we was gonna get a bounce. And guess what? I took the 8%. I didn't even play with it. I didn't even play with it. That comes with chart reading. That comes with chart reading. Momentum to the downside on the short. Momentum to the downside on the short. Woo! 8% done for the day. First 4 minutes of the market open. Man, it's a God somewhere. Yes, it is. God is good, man. God has given me the ability to read these charts. Giving me the ability to read these charts. Great bounce off of the support. Great bounce off the support. All the EMAs are pointing down. The VWAP pointing down. Perfect setup to the short side, to the downside. Rolled the counter all the way down to the support line. Perfect entry, perfect exit. Now, perfect bounce off of the support. Man, perfect bounce off of the support. Perfect balance. That's why it's very, very, very important. Very important. Find something that you love to do and master it. We got 2 kids in here. This the message to the kids. Find something that you love to do and master it, whatever it may be. If you want to be a doctor, lawyer, electrician, engineer, you know what I'm saying? Mechanic. Find what you love to do and you master it to the best of your ability. Pay attention in class. Study. Make the best grades that you can make. Find something you love to do and master it. And then when you get on that good job, you earn, you spend less, and you make sure you make proper investments. Yes. We just broke the support, y'all. Oh, support break, support break, support break. Find something you love to do and you master it to the best of your ability. You master it. That's probably the #1 key to success. Find something that you love to do and master it. And master it. Master it. I'm quite sure Steve Jobs, the late great CEO of Apple, he loved computer engineering, computer science. The late great Steve Jobs, he sat in that basement and mastered the Apple and came up with the Apple computer. Steve Jobs, the late great Steve Jobs, the CEO and the one that started Apple, he loved computers. He loved building computers, and guess what he did? He stayed in his mama's basement or whatever basement he was in. Great story and great movie about Steve Jobs. You got to go watch that movie. Great. He loved building computers. He loved it, and he mastered it, and came up with the famous Apple computer. Find something you love to do and master it. That's the #1 key to success and freedom. Find something you love to do and master it. As we get that bounce off the support, and we're trying to make it through the EMAs, the 13, 9, and the 20 on the flip side on the way up. If you're just not joining the show, this is Trappin Thursday, live in the trap, which is my office. Welcome to the trap, aka my office. When we talk about investing, when we talk about day trading, when we talk about earning, spending less, and investing, when we talk about knowledge, wealth, wisdom, when we have positive conversations, we talk about health, fitness. All right, we're above all the EMAs now. We're above the 20, and that usually means what? A move on up. Can we get on up to this to the support? No. Can we get on up to the resistance line of 137.93? Can we move on up? We already have done all the work. We got through all these EMAs. Now we are possibly moving on up to 37.93. Let's see what's happened. This candle is very, very important. This candle is very, very important. Oh, we going back through the water again. We did all that work. All right, let's go. This candle is very, very important. Can we move all the way back up to the 137.93? The EMAs and the VWAP are in their rightful place at the bottom of the candles. Can we move on up? It looks like we're going to move on up to the 130, at least to the 137.93. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Appreciate y'all for hitting that like button. Come on, let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Let's see, we are at 137.14. We'll be back. Let's go look at the SPY. All right, the SPY is up under the EMAs, double bottom at the bottom. Let's see what Tesla gonna do. What Tesla doing? Big dump on Tesla. Big dump on Tesla. Support is down here at 114.50. Let me change that to green. That's the support line. That's the floor. We're trying to see what's happening with Tesla. We are up under VY. We're up under VY. One trade on the day, 8%. I think I'm done. Great trade at the 8% to the downside on NVIDIA. But you know, you should know by now, if you come here every day, I trade NVIDIA every single day. If it ain't NVIDIA, it's the SPY. Those are my two babies. NVIDIA, the SPY, and then Tesla. And then we work to other areas. Let's see. Apple is red. Google is red. Bitcoin is back on the move. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin is back on the move. Okay, go back to NVIDIA. The EMAs are back on top of the candle. It's not good. Okay. Back to the downside now. Back to the downside. Nice tasting tea. All right. We are 15 minutes in. My day is basically done. That one for the 8% was good for me to the downside on the short side. We just rode the momentum all the way down to the support line. Simple trade, easy. Simple trade for 8%. Now here go the boring part. The boring part. This is the boring part right here. Watching it fight through these EMAs to make it back up. We got support at 137.25. I mean resistance at 137.25. We're back above the EMAs. 137.25 is the resistance. 137.25. Can we break that and move on up? That's the question. Can we break that and move on up to 137.25? Let's see. We are 15 minutes in on the market. Still early, really, really early. It's only been open for 15 minutes. Of course, I'm done for the day. One trade, 8%. I'm done. So we are at the 13. No, we're at the VWAP. Bounce off the VWAP. For some reason, it's not showing my VWAP price. Yo, there it. Oh, there it go. All right, now we're back over all the EMAs off that bounce off the VWAP, but we're having a problem getting over resistance, which is 137.25. We're having a problem getting over that resistance. So what I'm going to do at this time, big upper shadow, I'm going to put that light resistance line right here, and I'm going to make it, okay, that's light as it can go. That's light resistance. Big upper shadow. Whoa. Can we break this resistance? 137.25. 137.25 is resistance. Can we break it? See all that wishy-washy? That's what I call it, wishy-washy. A bunch of up, down, up, down, up, down. Not really that much movement on the candle. All the movement was this morning on the sell-off. So far, we are still early in the market. Look like we're building higher lows somewhat. So I got to put that there, and I got to change that close to green as I can get it. Now we're about to see what we got next. The slow time right now. At this moment, not that much volume. And we are battling up in with inside of the 13, 9, and the 20. We're battling, but we are building higher lows. But we're waiting on this break of the 137.25. From understanding how NVIDIA moves, I'm thinking we're going to get this 137.25 break. It's just going to take a little time. It's just going to take a little time for the 137.25 break. This next candle is very important. As we get close to the resistance, this next candle is very important. But the way the candles are moving, we're going to get above this 137.25. It's just going to take a little bit of time. It's just going to take a little bit of time. You know, the next resistance is 137.25. Slight pullback. Boom. No volume though. It's not really that much volume. You see that candle? 500,000. half a million, half a million, not that much volume. For NVIDIA, half a million in 1 minute, that's not a lot of volume. We might say, well, Stock Sniper, man, half a million in 1 minute, that's a lot of buying. Yeah, it is, but for NVIDIA, it's not really that much. When you can get 1.5 million, 1.1 million, which is 1.1 million on 1 minute candle, that's a lot, but it's not really that much when it comes to NVIDIA. It's a lot of action over here on NVIDIA. A lot of people buying and selling. That's what I love about it. Okay, here we go. Like I said, it's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm thinking we're going to work above this 137.25. Here we go to break it. Did I just call out another play? Did I just call out another play? Well, this will be the first. Well, the play I took one. This one I'm not even in, but this is the first play that I've called that I did not take on today. Boom. Break of the 137.25 support resistance. And there it goes. And there it goes. Another call. Another call. And no, I'm not in. But look at that big green candle. 137.25 up to 137.49. Might as well say 137.50. Trying to make a big U shape. We're trying to make a U shape. We're building higher lows. Let's see. We're gonna call it 138 even. 138 even. Trying to push up to the 138 even to confirm the U-shaped pattern. To confirm the U-shaped pattern. Right here. Boy, if we get above this 138, look out. If we get above this 138, look out. And it looks like we're trying to push up to the 138. "25 minutes in." See, man, I like coming early, especially going live early. I got, of course, I get everything together before, but then I go live 10 minutes before the market opens. So my mindset is already on streaming, on the stock market, on everything that comes with this, way ahead of 8:30. So I'm already ahead. Once the market open, I'm already ahead of the game. You know what I'm saying? I'm already ahead. Once I go live 10 minutes before, I got 10 minutes to get in the mindset of streaming and trading at the same time. And that has helped a lot. That has helped out a lot. That has made my trading a lot better as well. Starting 10 minutes early. Already have my streaming set up, already ready to go. Pressing live, you know what I'm saying, at 8:20, 10 minutes before the market even open. And I'm ready to rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I can't say this enough. All traders, all day traders, you have to be recorded. You don't have to go live like I do. Find out a way where you can record the screen when you trade, and then go over your trades at night. Go over your trades at night. That's the cheat code right there. That's the cheat code. As we bounce off of this uptrend, that's the cheat code. Go over your trades at night. Trade, study the charts, record it, and then at night, go over it. See it every night. I go over my trades. Whether it be at night or it be when I'm done, I go over my trades after this. Even though I'm done trading, I'm still recording a teaching series that I can at least go back later and teach myself. Make my trading a lot tighter as we break the uptrend line. And we up under that. We up under the VWAP now. We up under the VWAP now. So, just like I just said a while ago, me going live 10 minutes early, because usually I would go live right at 8:30, right when the market opens. But I decided to start going live 10 minutes before. So that means I got to prepare to whatever's going on, what I think will go on in pre-market, what's going on in pre-market, I have to prepare before 8:20. So when I go live, I'm ready to rock and roll. Then I just, and I just re-go over all my homework that I've done before 8:30, before 8:20. I just re-go over my homework. It's all here. Everything. Look, I got resistance at 139 even. I got another resistance line at 138. You know what I'm saying? I got my support. I got my, which I just done that right now, but I had my support. I had my plan together before 8:30 even happened. So I'm just waiting and I'm watching. Okay, we had this big dump pre-market, right? So I'm already okay. It looked like it's gonna be a red day. I'm looking at everything else on the side. It's looking like it's gonna be a red day. I just go with momentum. I just went with the momentum, knowing that this is the support. Once I got in my position on that trade, and the next candle was red. The next candle was red. Okay, my exit is at support at that green line. That's my exit because I know we have a 80% chance to bounce off that support. So I just watched my trade. Boom, took my 8%, knowing that 80% of the time we're gonna bounce off that support. We're gonna bounce off that line. And that's exactly what happened. I took my 8, I wasn't greedy. I took the 8%, and it did exactly that. It bounced off the support. And guess what? If it would not have bounced off that support and broke the support all the way down to the red, another big red candle, I wouldn't have had to feel missing out. Because I learned emotionally how to conduct myself when it comes to day trading. You got to get your emotions in check when it comes to day trading. I can learn this. And I cannot say that enough. I can learn chart patterns, support, resistance, 13.9. I can know it like a computer. But guess what? If I don't have my emotions in check, particularly my stop loss and my fear of missing out, I could be the best chart reader ever. But if I don't have my emotions in check, I will not be successful in day trading. You got to take what the chart gives you and move on. You got to take what the chart gives you and you got to move on. You got to take what the chart gives you and you got to move on. No matter what it is, and you got to cut your losses quickly. You got to have a tight stop loss. And you got to move on and not be greedy. One trade, I'm done. As we go up under the VWAP, we're up under the VWAP. We have broken the trend line, the uptrend line. The EMAs are on top of the candles. Okay, now we're moving back up above the VWAP. I've been live 30 minutes. Good. Really, really good. Me starting 10 minutes early has been amazing, bro. Man, been amazing. There's always room for growth. I don't care who you are. There's always room to get better, especially if you love what you do. If you love what you do, if you love what you do, you can't help but be excellent. There's no way. As long as you love what you do and you stick to the script and you stick to the program and you stay down and you love it, you will not quit. Good morning. Steph B. Hey, Steph B, how you doing? Good morning to you too. You are preaching the trade word this morning. Everything you just said is so true. Thank you, Steph B. Appreciate you for joining me. Appreciate you. But yes, uh, you have to control your emotions. You have to. I get excited when I call these plays, and I'm not even in them. I get more excited when I call these plays and I'm not in them. I get more excited than I do when I'm in a play. And I'm training myself like that, specifically. I'm training myself like that in my subconscious mind. Thank God for YouTube. Thank God for the streaming services. Thank God that I'm able to record myself and go over and watch this at night. Thank God for that, because it has made me better. It has made me better. I have people that come in that give tips, and I go over every single day as we break VWAP. As we break the VWAP, let me move the uptrend line. That no longer exists. As we break the VWAP, we're up under the VWAP now. We're up under the VWAP. More downside coming. Let's see. Looks like more downside. That VWAP break, bro. That VWAP break. That VWAP break. Can we get another red candle? Let's see. See, another thing, if you're a new trader, a lot of people, right, they'll say, well, man, it's going down. Let me get in right now. You're too late. You're chasing. If you get in right now, even though it's going down even further, you're too late down here. Your odds of going green goes down tremendously. You're chasing right here. The play was the break of the VWAP. That was the entry right here. That was the entry right here, not down here. The entry was the break of this VWAP. That was the entry, not down here. Not down here. This, once it breaks, and now you want to get in, that's what you call the fear of missing out. As they say, FOMO. Now man, I want to get in because you see that it's going down. But guess what? Once you get in, guess what's happening? Now you get that, what I call a tail, which is a lower shadow. Once you get this lower shadow, it reverses on you. Now you back up to the BY. Now see, now you're in the red. That's why you cannot chase these plays. You got to realize that you missed it on this and just don't have no emotions about it. Oh man, let me get in. That's not the entry. This is not the entry point. The break of the VWAP, that's the entry point. Right there. Now we're back above the VWAP. Somebody got caught up right here. Straight up. Somebody got caught up on this fear of missing out, jumped in on the short, and got absolutely crushed. Now look, we're above everything now. Now look, reversal. We're above the VWAP, above the 13, above the 9, above the 20. Now we back up. Let's see what's going to happen. Are we gonna get above this 137.25? I see a pattern. I see a pattern. I see a pattern right now. Let's see. I see a pattern. I see a pattern right now. Looks like what? Somebody tell me what this pattern looks like. Anybody know chart reading? What does the pattern look like? I'll give you a few more minutes. What does this pattern look like? Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders pattern. This is shoulder, this a head, and this a shoulder. Head and shoulders. That's the head. This is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. Head and shoulder pattern usually means downside. It looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulder pattern usually mean downside. Let's see. Congratulations, whoever got in right here below this VY. Congratulations. You about to get it. Whoever got in but on the break of this VY, looking good right now. Boom. Boom. Oh, there go another joke. About a 13 and 9 and a 20. Perfect head and shoulders pattern. Perfect. Perfect head and shoulders pattern. Perfect. Are they gonna bring it all the way down to 136.22? Perfect. That head and shoulders pattern to a T, bro. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's see if they're gonna bring it down to 136.22. Back to the old support. Will they bring it back to the old support? Let's see. Well, actually, 136, around 136. Yep, that's what they're doing. Wow. Just called out another play on their head and shoulders pattern. Just called out another play. Uh-oh. 136.15 support. You see? Bounce right off the support line on the other, flip it to the other side. Bounce right off the support. Ooh wee, man. Ooh wee. What a head and shoulders pattern move, bro. And then a double bounce off the support. Let me see. I got to put it on the 5 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute time frame. Double bottom. Wow. Uh-oh, big upper shadow. Uh-oh. There go that big tail. Big upper shadow. Will we break the 136.15 on this big upper shadow right there? That's the indication. That's the indication. Let's see. Big upper shadow. Wow. 136.15. Perfect support. I got to move this line right here. You're irrelevant now. Another upper shadow. I just called out another play, bro. Man. Okay. I got now I got to move this here. That's support as well. That's light support though. That's light support. This 135.85. Light support. Light support. This for the 136.85. I think that's gone. That's gone. That's light support. Man, hold up. That's gone. Man, somebody just made a killing, bro. Whoever took this play off this BWAP crack to the downside, ooh. Yeah, they making it. Yeah. Somebody is up really, really, really big. 135.85, 135.80. New low of the day. 9.15. 9.15. Man, I'm gonna hit me a big play in a minute. I'm just studying and watching. I'm gonna hit me a big play one of these days. Yeah, I'm just studying and watching. I'm just sitting back like a sniper, studying, watching. I'm gonna hit me a 400-500% one of these days, real soon. Good bounce off the 135.80. 9.15. Bro, that double bottom right off my perfect support line. Double bottom right there. Let's see. I'm setting myself up for a big trade. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking those little base hits right now, them 8s and 5s, but I'm setting myself up for a great trade, a home run. That's what I'm doing. Setting myself up for a great trade. I'm gonna just keep on taking those base hits and keep on doing my studying. And I'm sitting back in the cut like a sniper. And I'm finna get ready to hit me another big move real soon. 131, 81, 89, 131. I'm just looking back in the past. 131, 89, 133, 80, 135. I gotta change that to red, to green. That's the next support. Well, we just bounced off of 135.80. $131.89, 131.89, 131.90. I think I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna keep on taking these base hits. 131.90. Around 132 is the next support. It's major support. 1, 2, and that was the 27. Go back even further. Yeah, look, major support, support, support. See, hit this support. This was in October. Support all the way up to 150 when it broke new all-time highs. Then it came all the way back down to the same area. Then boomed up to 145. Now it looks like they are trying to pull it back down to the 131.89. All I need is one more confirmation. $130. Uh-oh. $100. See that line I got down here at 100? I pray that it goes back down to 100. Yeah, I really want here because down here I got this here because I want to pick up on my long term. I want to pick up more nvda on the long term at 100. Yeah, I hope and I pray that it goes back down to 100. Then I pick up more on my long-term investment. I take off my day trading hat and put on my long-term investors hat and pick up more long-term at this 100 area. So yeah, that 131 is actually the area. Around 131, 132 is the area. You can clearly see it. Even if you don't know anything about day trading, you can clearly see this 132, 131 area is the bounce area. Bounce, 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 bounce. And we're possibly headed back down here. Yeah, from October. 130, 132. That's the area. Yeah. So see, I'm waiting on 130. I'm waiting on this area. I'm waiting on this area, and I'm gonna take my base hits. Boom, 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 boom. Once it gets to this area, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull a position, and I'm gonna set my contract for about 3 months. And this won't be a day trade. Well, it will be a day trade if I hit my target. But this trade, it won't be a day trade. It will be what they call a swing trade. I'm waiting on this bounce from this 131, 132 area. I'm waiting on that bounce. And I'm pulling the trigger. And I'm going to set my contract for 3 months. And I'm going to let it rock and roll. Yep, that's what I'm waiting on. So I'm going to keep on taking them base hits until they pull it back down to that one. If it even, it's a possibility that they don't do it. So 920. Double bounce. We back above the EMAs. Okay. 922. Bitcoin back on the move. We got the SPY above all the EMAs and above the VY. Tesla is above the EMAs and above the VY. Microsoft is up under everything. Facebook is above everything. Amazon is above everything. AMD is trying to fight, which AMD is pulling back. It's down up under 130. Okay. Let's see how long I've been live. I know over an hour. Yeah. I didn't see that comment. Somebody knows what the walk down gonna be about today. I see it now. I see it. All right. All right. Well, that's my morning, y'all. Good morning, 8%. Thank you for everybody that joined, everybody that commented, everybody that liked and subscribed. I appreciate y'all, man. Steph B, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming. You know what I'm saying? Catastrophic, appreciate you. 419, appreciate you. KRB 35, appreciate you. KRB 35, appreciate you for coming, man. Appreciate your comment. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, appreciate y'all for joining me. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for coming and interacting with me. This is Freedom of Speech channel. You know, we try to keep it as positive as possible. You know, that's what it's about over here. So great day, 8% on Trappin Thursday. Great day. With that being said, earn, spend less than invest. Earn, spend less and invest. 704 Wall Street. 704 Wall Street is my block. 704 Wall Street is my block. So with that being said, this is the Stock Sniper. Y'all have a great day, marvelous day. Be on the lookout for episode 5 of the walk down. So with that being said, this is the Stock Sniper. I love and I appreciate every last one of y'all. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you're not with day trading, somebody in your family might catch on. You know what I'm saying? It's a great skill to have. It's a great tool to have in the toolbox. You should always be investing long term, though. Earn, spend less than invest is the motto. With that being said, I'm out. Love and I appreciate y'all.